This video ad right here was created in just a few minutes using images from a print-on-demand listing. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how to do it using Amazon Ads video generator inside their creative studio. I'm Ryan. I've been selling print-on-demand products since 2017. And one of the biggest missed opportunities that I see is sellers not using video ads because they think it's complicated or expensive. So in this video, I want to walk you through exactly how to turn the product images you already have into a video ad, step by step, and show you how to create, customize, and then launch your sponsored brand's video without needing any experience. Inside Amazon Ads, there's a tool called Video Generator that lives within the sponsored brand's workflow, and it allows you to take existing product images, combine them with your brand elements, and generate a video ad in minutes. And the reason this matters is because most of you watching already have everything you need. Your product images, your mockups, your listings. You're just not turning them into video yet, which can be a huge boost to your sales, and it might be cheaper than you think to do when it comes to your ad spend. Traditionally, creating video ads meant hiring someone, learning editing software, or spending a lot of time putting it together. But this workflow is designed to remove that barrier so you can go from idea to live video ad much faster and start testing what actually works. With Mother's Day right around the corner, I thought we could use this funny mom t-shirt with the simple text MOM and then the battery running on empty. Perfect, humorous, simple design, almost 2,000 reviews, so people are loving it. Let's use this for our example. I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna go to item details, and I'm gonna expand this, and I'm gonna look for the ASIN right here, and I'm gonna copy that. Now I'm gonna go over to the Amazon Ads Creative Studio where I can generate videos. And as you can see, I've already plugged in the ASIN and found it. Now I'm gonna simply select that product, and all I have to do is click the generate button, and it's immediately gonna get to work creating 6 different AI-based videos that we can then customize. If we wanna make changes, that's optional. I'm gonna walk you through everything, but if we like one of these outputs, we can send it straight to our sponsored brands video campaign. So let's check in on our brand new videos. I'm gonna go ahead and play this one over here behind me. So it says battery running low. It animated the static image of the woman wearing our shirt, but then it switched to some other frames that seem unrelated. Now, what I wanna show you guys is that the original listing that we fed into the video generator actually has these extra images included in the product listing. So what Amazon's video generator did is it learned from them and mixed in some of those additional frames and then animated them. But we have complete control over this, right? You can actually see the first 2 videos use that Momosaurus design. So what we can do is go down here to the bottom middle where it says assets and click that. Then click update assets, and you can see all the images that it can see from the product listing that we provided. And all you need to do is uncheck the ones that you don't want included in the video generation. So I can include these 2, for instance, the static design that says mom in pink and then the woman wearing that shirt. Now all I need to do is go back, and before you create your new videos, I also wanted to mention you can add your brand logo, which feeds directly into your sponsored brand video ads. So I can't see a reason not to do this. I'm gonna go ahead, upload the logo, and then generate 6 new videos. Here's one of the videos that it created for us.
Every mom knows this feeling. Soft, comfortable tea for busy moms. The perfect, thoughtful gift for any mom.
Let me know what you think of that video in the comments, but I thought that was really good considering we've only been at this for a few minutes. Now, if I want, I can swap the images, adjust the text, or reorder the scenes to improve the video in any way I see fit. So that was the video right here behind me. If I hover over it and click edit, what you'll notice is that it gives me the ability to do just that. I can edit the text, so you can see it says mom battery low, but it's got white text against a white background. What do you say we change the text color here to something a little bit darker and easier to read, and then maybe center it down here at the bottom of the screen? I think something like that could definitely help. You even have the ability, by the way, to change the font. They've got a bunch of popular fonts here loaded in, but the default is the Amazon Ember. I'm just gonna leave it at that. You can change the scene down here as well. You also have the ability to replace the scene. If I click replace, I can do just that as well. Wanted to make sure you guys were aware. It says comfortable mom style, but the text is a little bit too close to her face. I think, again, we could maybe move it down, maybe make the font color consistent, and then maybe change it to she'll love this shirt. I don't know, whatever you think will work best. I'm just working on this on the fly. Then you've got the next scene right here. It says perfect mom gift. Let's go ahead and change the color of that text again. Okay, perfect. Maybe just say funny Mother's Day shirt. Chances are if they're buying the shirt, that's what they searched for. So let's just give them that subtle reinforcement as well. And if you need to add a new scene, guys, simply hit the plus sign and you have the ability to do just that. If you feed in more product images, it will be able to create more dynamic scenes scenes, if that makes sense. We only fed in 2 different images, but you can also see it's got 15 different scenes here because it's got basically a templated way of generating these scenes for us. So you can see they had like the orange background, the purple background, a lot of background switching, but we can add in any scene that we see fit. We can change the text and we can regenerate the video before feeding it into our sponsored brands campaign. So just like that, we've gone from static product images to a fully created video ad. And this is important. The quality of your video is directly tied to the quality of your product listing. If your images and your listing are strong, this tool lets you turn that into video ads extremely quickly. And instead of creating just one video, we've got multiple to split test so that we get the best performance of our sponsored brand campaign. Just a few weeks ago, I recorded a video walking beginners through how to set up their first Amazon ads campaign. Now that you've created your videos, you're gonna wanna check that out for step-by-step instructions of how to launch that campaign. I'll link to it in the YouTube cards right here, and I'll link to it in the description of this YouTube video. Now, just to set expectations, this tool helps you create videos faster, but performance also depends on things like your targeting, bids, and how strong your product listing is. So don't lose sight of that. Before judging results, I always make sure of a few things. First, make sure you're using the right product, make sure your keywords are relevant, that your bids are competitive, and that your product listing clearly communicates the value. All of those things are gonna help improve campaign performance. So instead of spending hours creating one video, you can create multiple variations in minutes using assets you already have, and then test them inside your sponsored brands campaigns and use what you learned to improve your next version. You can get started with Amazon ads using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.